10 o'clock, I'm Doug Dunbar. It's good to have you tonight. We're going to start tonight with our focus on the Camp Mystic families who we know are still learning about what life looks like now, almost a year after the devastating flash flooding in the Texas Hill Country. Tonight, we start with our Amelia McGavro, who is sitting down with one North Texas mother who says that while her daughter's life, without question, ended far too soon, her legacy is only just beginning.
Mommy, I'm so happy that you're home.
There are some people whose absence is just impossible to ignore. Even at just 8 years old, Hadley Hanna was one of them.
She just was always happy and loving and just really special, one-of-a-kind little girl.
Hadley was Carrie Hanna's middle child and also her mini-me. Hadley loved sports, she loved making people laugh, and most of all, she loved being a kid.
I'll always be a baby, even when I'm a teenager.
For anybody who didn't have the beautiful experience of knowing Hadley firsthand, can you describe who she was?
She was loud. Our house is really quiet now. She always made her presence known. And she was a great middle sister because she was Harper's best friend and Hunter's best friend. They still love each other so much.
Camp Mystic was part of that childhood, and it was also part of Carrie's childhood too. See, for generations, families have sent daughters to the camp along the Guadalupe River in Kerrville to build friendships and grow their faith. So for Carrie, dropping off her girls last July was a happy goodbye.
The last memory I have of her was her running away from me at camp drop-off and throwing her, cartwheeling, throwing her hands in the air and just being so happy. And I guess I'm glad that that is the last thing I saw.
5 days later, historic floodwaters tore through Camp Mystic before dawn, overwhelming cabins as campers slept. Hadley ended up being among the many girls reported missing.
I woke up to my phone just blowing up and asking if I had heard anything about flooding, about girls being found downriver in trees, and I didn't know anything.
Carrie's oldest daughter, Harper, barely survived, and Hadley still unaccounted for. But days later, her body was found.
So her nails were how we identified her, because she had painted them alternating green and yellow before camp. Just told her how sorry I was and that I loved her and begged her to forgive me.
27 girls and counselors died that morning, now remembered as Heaven's 27, and 9 of them were from North Texas. Carrie says those other 9 grieving parents have now become a new family.
We wish we didn't know each other, because we wish none of us were in this position, but oh, thank goodness we're together.
Senate Select Committee on Disaster Preparedness and Flooding will come to order.
And as the families mourned, they also demanded answers, including the Hannas, convincing lawmakers in Austin to make a change.
Our precious, hilarious, kind, caring, silly, loving little girl who always wanted to help others died because there was no plan, because there was no backup system or sirens.
Last September, Texas lawmakers passed multiple bills strengthening flood preparedness and warning systems in flood-prone areas.
I think that I have to have a purpose now. And that purpose is protecting my children, their future children, and all the other children that go to camp.
For Carrie, that's only part of Hadley's legacy. When Hadley wasn't cartwheeling through life, she was giving out hugs. And today that spirit lives on through the nonprofit Hugs from Hadley.
Like, she would just come up and just get you from behind and give you a big hug, and oh, I'd give anything for a hug now. And Doug came up with Hugs from Hadley, and we are just looking for organizations that fit her spirit.
I mean, if she could see all the good that you're doing in her name, if she could see all the people who remember her, all the people who are inspired, what do you think she'd say?
She'd be happy. She'd say thank you.
And maybe give one of those sneak attack hugs,
She'd
right?
give a big hug.
1 year later, green ribbons still wrap trees throughout the Park Cities. Signs and crosses still decorate front yards. Quiet reminders that this community is forever missing 9 precious daughters. Carrie admits the grief will never disappear, but neither will these girls, and neither will Hadley.
We thought Hadley was destined for greatness, and she still is. It's just not how we expected it to be. And I hate that it took our 27 angels to change things, but they're making a difference.
Amelia McGoverill, CBS News, Texas.